Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the collectibles or the prized possessions club. Yeah. So, everybody, remember, bring in your most prized possession tomorrow to show to everybody.
I'll bring my chips. I'll bring my banjo. I bring Bon. My nut.
So, you better bring it, you fools. That was a good day today at the Prized Possessions Club. Now, it's time to go to bed. You stay there, Swiss Cheesy.
Later that night. In the morning.
It's morning. Swiss Cheesy. Everybody, gather around, you fool! A crisis has broke out!
What crisis?
Swiss Cheesy has been stolen!
Wait, what'd you say?
You have to be kidding me! Swiss Cheesy has been stolen! Crab, who's Swiss Cheesy again? He's the greatest thing I've ever seen.
So let me get it straight. Somebody broke into your house last night and stole your Swiss Army knife.
Yes, you fool, that's exactly what happened.
Let's get him.
Yeah, and we should definitely go look for your Swiss Army knife. Me and Bon will help you.
Sure, I don't really care.
I'll help you, only if I get my chips and my nut.
Quick, come to my house.
So this is your house.
Yeah,
Where did you put Swiss Cheesy before you went to bed?
I put him right here. And then when I went to bed and I woke up in the morning, he's gone.
I have an idea of what we should do.
What should we do, you fool?
Interrogation.
Okay, I like the idea, but who should we interrogate first?
Maybe we should go to the prison and see if any of the criminals have escaped.
Yes, we should do that.
I would pass on that.
Why?
I'm kind of wanted right now.
Why?
So yesterday I went to Walmart and I went to the chip section and I robbed the chips.
Okay then, you fool, you stay here and watch my house. Okay?
Fine. Just to the prison.
Here, got him.
Welcome to the BLPD. What do you need?
We're just looking at the prisoners, 'cause I just got robbed.
Well, you've come to the right place. What got stolen?
My Swiss Cheesy.
What's a Swiss Cheesy?
It's my Swiss Army knife. It's also my bestest friend in the world.
Well, we'll help you look for it, but why'd you come here, besides telling me?
'Cause we thought, looking at the prison and asking you, like, what prisoners are in the prison or was in the prison yesterday, and if any escaped at all.
Well, actually, one escaped today, or yesterday.
Really? Who?
SpongeBob.
Not Bob! Do you know where SpongeBob is?
No, but I know what his phone is.
Tell me. Bah-ha-ha-ha.
I know exactly who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I have a fair amount of money. But what I do have is a very important set of skills. Skills that make me weird to people like you. If you let my Swiss Cheesy go, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you. Boop.
Bah-ha-ha.
Hey, intruder!
Bah! Get back here! Well, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah, that was very strange. Okay then, let's go home. Okay, inmates, it's lunchtime. I'm not hungry.
What?
Do I know you? Who are you? A friend.